So for those of you that have birds, you probably know that they smell really good. Uh, I don't know why, but the smell of Lucky is just amazing. And for some reason, when he gets sleepy, he smells even stronger. It's just so cute. Mm. Oh, I could smell you all day long. Mm. Cambodia, Nie, Prop, Atsoy. Lucky's not stinky. Oh, look at yourself, buddy. Look at yourself in the camera. You're so cute. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, now he wants to go back out to his cage as he's just chilling here on the couch with Dad. So we're probably going to do that. Anyway, folks, please like and subscribe. You'll get to see the very, very fresh smelling parrot on a regular basis, otherwise known as the certified water chicken. Have a wonderful day.